Hello and thank you for tuning in to Little Alfred's Dusties.
It's up, down, it's all around. Such a miserable man. Up and down, dance all around. What a miserable man.
1930s Little Mother toy sewing machine. It's all froze up. See? You hear the squeak? It's all froze. And if it stays like that, it won't never sew. Gotta make it go, because if it don't go, it won't sew. Well, it seems as though the deck is giving me heck. Won't come off. I'm gonna take off the bottom and see if I can't access it that way. Show you this. See how this is away here? There was a little metal tab right here that went right underneath this platform, and you would bend it down so it would stay in place. It's long gone. So I have to see what I could do about that, or else it's gonna be unstable. Alright, I'm not gonna fight with it anymore. Everything's married with rivets. And if you know anything about old rivets, you don't want to mess with them unless you absolutely have to. Right here, that tab is missing, that tab that keeps the sewing machine attached to the base. I'm gonna file what's left of it, and then I'm gonna add some more metal and hopefully make a new tab. How am I gonna do it? Watch, wait and see. Broke the needle. Beautiful chain stitching. I'll tell you what, this project was an absolute blast. Did you love this video? If not, see Virgil.
It's up,